In this video I'm going to show you how to fix sound or audio problems in Windows 10. The first and most simple solution is to check if your cables are plugged in your laptop or computer. This happens a lot when people plug in their cable and it's not plugged in completely, so make sure that it's at the end of your audio input, and hopefully this will fix your problem. Otherwise I have a lot of solutions that you can try, so let's start. First you need to go to your sound settings, so right click over here on your audio, open sound settings. And over here you need to select the right output device. So you can open the drop down over here and make sure that you've got the right output device. So let's say it's the USB. In my case this wouldn't work, so I have to select this one, Realtek High Definition Audio. And also make sure that your master volume is high enough. Sometimes it is muted by accident, so make sure that it is loud enough. If this doesn't fix your problem, you can close the screen. And now you right click the icon again, and then you go to the volume mixer and make sure that all the applications and devices are high enough. So you can make it louder like this. So this needs to be loud enough so you can hear your audio. If this still didn't fix your problem, you can try the next thing. So you can close the screen. And now you need to go to your search area over here and you search for Device Manager. And now you need to scroll down to Sound, Video and Game Controllers. You can double click it. And now you need to select the device that you got the problems with. So let's say Realtek in my case. So right click it, go to Properties. Here you need to go to Driver. If this isn't grayed out, the rollback driver, you can select this one and try to roll back your driver. If it's grayed out like in my case, you can update your driver. So select Update Driver. And now you can search automatically for drivers. So if it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, you can close the screen and you can go to Update Driver again and then browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list. And here you can select the driver that you want to install. So Realtek, next. So it was successfully, and now you can select close. And we close this screen, and also as you see over here you need to restart your computer, and hopefully after that your problems has been fixed. So here you need to select yes. If that doesn't work, we're going to try the next solution. Now you need to go back to your search area over here and you go to Device Manager, and instead of going to Sound, Video and Game Controllers, you need to go to Audio Inputs and Outputs. And here you can select the device that is not working at the moment. So this one for example. You right click it, you go to Properties, and here you can do the exact same steps as we did previously. So update driver, and after that you need to restart your system and try if the sound is working now. If that is not working, you can also go to Sound, Video and Game Controllers again to open up that part, and then right click on the device that's not working, Properties, Driver. And now you can uninstall the device. So make sure that this one is not checked. So you don't want to delete the driver software for this device. And then select uninstall. And after that you need to restart your system. And after it opens up again, it will ask you to install the drivers for your device. Hopefully that will fix your problem. If not, we're going to try the next solution. For the next solution we're going to download the drivers from the website of the manufacturer. So go to your browser. And then you need to go to the website of the manufacturer, so Dell in my case. And I've searched for Windows 10, 64-bit, driver. And I want to have the audio drivers. And after that you will see the drivers for your system. So you can download them. And as you can see, the download has been started. And now you can install the drivers and restart your system. And hopefully that will fix your problem. If that didn't fix your problem, you can try the next solution. So for the next solution you need to go to your search area over here and you search for Services. And now you need to scroll down to Windows Audio. So over here, double click Windows Audio, right click Windows Audio and restart the service. And make sure that the startup type is automatic. So you can double click this. And at startup type you need to select automatic, apply and OK. And now you can restart your system and see if this fixed your problem. If this didn't fix your problem, we can try the last solution. So we can close the screen, go to the search area over here and search for Control Panel. And here you need to search for troubleshooting. open up troubleshooting. And now we want to fix the audio problem, so we search for audio. And you can double click playing audio. Next. And now we need to wait till it finds the problem. Next. And after that you can play a test sound. I want to skip it in this case. And as you can see, you need to restart your system before it fixes your problem. So restart the system and hopefully that will fix your problem. If this still didn't fix your problem, you can leave a comment underneath the YouTube video and I will help you to fix your problem with your audio. So this is how to fix sound or audio problems in Windows 10. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was the case, please leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.